Guys, today's video is going to be sponsored by Zillow. As I've been doing my remodel, I've had a lot of you guys tweet me with pictures of your own remodels, questions about the whole remodel, and so I wanted to share with you an app that I have on my phone. On my phone, along with this cute little boy, I have the Zillow app. When you go into the app, it allows you to search for places for sale, for rent. You can find an agent if you're selling your home or if you're going to be buying a home. I also like that there's a payment calendar and affordability calculator so that you can, you know, show what your income is, show what down payment you have, and then, you know, what debt you have. I'm going to show you my favorite part, but I'm going to show you on my computer so it's a little bit bigger so that you can see what I'm doing. This is on Zillow.com, and if you go to home design, that was weird. I was gonna say house and then I said home design. You go to kitchen because that's what I just remodeled. And what I like is that it shows you kind of an estimate on what this kitchen is gonna cost you. Okay, this is one that I specifically wanted to show you for the tile. So if you click on it, it tells you the name and the color of the tile. So if you wanna search other places to buy it, but it also shows you where you can actually buy it from. I will make sure to leave their website and their free app listed in my description. I want to thank Zillow again for sponsoring this video. And as I'm looking into the camera, I'm looking outside and I can see tree limbs falling. What's Joel doing out here? I told him, are you cutting down this tree? I saw tree limbs falling.
No, just a couple that got bruised and damaged from the remodel I was finishing off.
Oh, funny. Okay, Olivia and Grandma and Grandpa finally made it home, and they did not pull in until midnight.
Oh, guess what? Look, I lost this tooth.
You did. Do you want to show them your ring? Oh, really? Darn it. Oh, my word. That is beautiful. And it's real silver and real gold. Julie, let me see yours. Yours is the biggest one, isn't it?
No, Grandma's.
Oh, well, besides Grandma's. Abby, can I see your ring? Can I see your ring? Come here. How was your guys' trip?
Ours?
No, it's mine.
You bought a new one?
Wow, aren't those beautiful? Well, Grandma and Grandpa woke up this morning and they are making waffles. Oh, they're in here talking to Mom's like, don't vlog this conversation. Sorry. She's cutting up peaches from her tree. We're having waffles.
Mommy.
It was a late night.
This is yours.
Oh, thank you.
And Daddy, I got waffles.
Yeah, Shrek reference.
You guys spend the night and you're making waffles.
Shrek references here.
They go,
Oh, we've always got Thanksgiving. We've always got Christmas. Oh, that is so sweet. The girls were concerned about when they were going to see each other again. Did you miss him? Yeah.
Tell me what you got.
We have been working very hard on this store to sell tape bracelets. And I made this to interest you into it.
Okay.
No, that did not go very well.
Whoa. What happened?
I think somebody leaned on the table.
Oh. I love the whole.
Oh, I'm glad you took some of these.
There's another one in the house in my bag
cute.
somewhere.
You want to give me the ones that you want to give me later?
Well, there's one.
Oh,
in
there's
my
just a
suitcase
few.
it's up in there for you. Yeah, we didn't take a whole lot.
You can look through them later. Well, fun.
Cute,
Yep.
little trip.
All morning, Mom's been telling us about all the, oh, cute. Oh, cute. All the stories and mishaps and
Adventures.
adventures. It is time for us to go. We've got, I don't know how I'm gonna pry Olivia away. They keep talking about, what are we gonna do next? What are we gonna do next? Nothing. You're gonna go to school and you're gonna learn.
Your education's going to continue from this trip.
Yeah.
We're going to put you on four-wheelers, and you're going to have your own.
Woo!
And your helmet.
Can I go?
When you're 10.
Yeah, when you guys get just a little older, you boys will do something
So
fun.
you're gonna have to start learning now how to manhandle those machines.
I pushed the button to make the four-wheeler go before I'm done.
And you're gonna have to learn to stay out of the bishop's weed before you can go.
And you gotta wait till Henry gets a little bigger, and
Henry's gonna be
Cooper,
bigger.
and Porter, and
Yep.
Russell.
Yep.
And Lincoln.
Hopefully I'm not forgetting anyone.
There's Lincoln too.
Yeah.
Maybe little
No,
Linky.
we're gonna be planning a man trip here pretty soon when you guys are old enough. All right.
Hey, that looks pretty nifty.
Cool, huh?
Yeah, I like that. Was it a bear to put in?
No, it's really easy. I just gotta put the
Really? Calm.
striker plate in.
Oh, was it there already, or have you
No.
not put it on at all? Oh, really? Oh, you had to take it off. Wait, what's going on?
The deadbolt hole is there, but the striker plate inside wasn't, so I have to set that.
Oh, I still don't know what he's saying.
It's okay. See, look. This right here
Yes.
is not there.
So you had to drill that in.
So I have to drill that in. Yeah.
What about the covering? The molding that goes around the door?
I'll do that later, but I'm not doing
Did you take it off, or is there
Never,
new?
I just never put it on.
Oh, but we have it.
No.
We don't have it. Oh, weird. Okay. Okay, now do you want me to tell you my news?
Yeah.
Okay, a lot of you have noticed that I don't wear a wedding ring. Well, oh, who's that little kid? Who's that little kid out there?
Which one is it, Boston?
Oh yeah,
Of course it is. Of
I
course.
know those little peepers anywhere.
I can hear those socks getting dirty anywhere.
Doesn't that make you so mad?
Oh.
When kids go outside in their socks, it's like
And I always thought my parents were ridiculous.
so annoying that they were like so
My
mad
socks,
about your
Mom, come on. Now
you
it's like,
give
I
me
will
a
kill
treat.
you.
I pooped in your toilet.
Did you poop in the toilet when I was
It
gone?
was a real one.
Oh, yes, I'll get you a little something something.
Treat.
Back to what I was saying. Some of you have noticed that I don't wear a wedding ring, and it's because my fingers are too fat. After I had Olivia, my fingers just became like sausages, and I can't get my ring on my sausages. So I finally took my ring into a really well-known private jeweler, and I was so nervous. When he got the ring, he told me that it was in the worst condition. Like, he's like, this is the dirtiest ring. The guy that the jeweler that we bought it from, re-dipped it for me because it just looked dull all the time and didn't look shiny and pretty. And anyway, when he dipped it, he didn't clean it before he dipped it, and when he dipped it, it wasn't a very good job. Anyway, he completely stripped the ring, took the diamond out, stripped the ring, and it is so
I'm
beautiful.
bummed you're not wearing it right now.
I know. I have had this ring. Santa Claus brought that to me when I was in high school, and that's what I've just been wearing. It's a little sterling silver thing, and
Tell more story about that ring?
yeah, come here. Here, slide it off. What did you hit?
It like flung into the window.
Oh dear. Okay, take that off. When we were in high school, take it alive. When we were in high school, Joel was kind of playing with this ring, and I shoved it on his finger.
Like, you can see, like, it's not getting past that knuckle. Bonnie forced it. We were driving. I remember we were driving in the truck. I was driving, paying attention to the road, still being distracted by Bonnie, and she shoved that onto my finger. Did not come off.
And of course, all I did was laugh and thought it was so funny. And
Oh, I thought it
He
was fun
didn't
because
think it was funny.
I did. It was flirty.
what I wanted, in my mind, I thought I'm gonna get it stuck on his finger so he'll wear it for like the year, kind of like putting a stamp on him or something. And
Well,
I should have said that, and you probably would have left it on.
I would have. I'd have totally left it on. But instead, I remember dropping her off, and I was like, "Well, it's not coming off right now. I'll have to go home and work it off."
And
I
he,
ended
like,
up having
ripped
to
the
rip
skin off.
flesh. I'm surprised
Yeah.
I don't have like a ring
scar.
of flesh there missing.
Yeah.
So you left your stamp.
Oh yeah, why I don't have my wedding ring on right now, because they sized it, but it was still just a little too tight, and so they're gonna resize it so that it'll fit nice and cozy.
Well, another clarification.
I can't wait to show you guys. It's so pretty.
About that other jeweler. When we bought Bonnie's ring, I remember saying, I need a size 7. That's Bonnie's ring size. I bought her rings before. Size 7.
It's a size 6.
Size 6.
It was a size 6.
I
I do not have size 6 fingers.
feel bad because my dad, I bought Bonnie's wedding ring where my dad bought my mom's wedding ring.
Oh my gosh, I guess I didn't remember.
And so I thought that was pretty significant. The only problem was when my dad bought the ring, it was the father who owned the business, and he really took a lot of care and took time.
And the son,
The son had
just
taken
didn't.
it over and didn't really care. And anyway, Star's gone now. So.
Yep, out of business. Out of business for a reason. Are you just so tired from your trip?
Mama, can I show you part of it? Look,
Yes.
So since this is here, how could that move? Instead, that one's supposed to stay on. This one's supposed to stay on, and that one would open like that. And then he'd walk through there, and then he'd close that up. Oh yeah, that one's supposed to hurt.
You love this little thing, don't you?
He'll let me keep it now. So
Really?
and then he tried to go.
You guys partied so hard, didn't you? You know what? We are all just having a really tired, slow afternoon. My parents got home with the girls at midnight, and then of course we sat and talked until like 1, and then it was just really hard to like go to bed. I don't know, it was crazy. Can you at least just tell me what your favorite part of your trip was?
My favorite part was losing my tooth.
Oh, do you want to tell them what happened?
Well,
You were at Arby's.
I was at Arby's and I was trying to get it there because sometimes it's fun to do that.
You were trying to put your straw through this hole, and you forgot and put it on that side and shoved it against your loose tooth.
Yeah, and then it kept it.
Towards the end of the road trip, they had my aunt's little Yorkie in the truck with them. And you played and played with that Yorkie. My dad said you guys wore that little thing right out.
Who's Yorkie?
It was my Uncle David's. You can leave this out if you want, if you're not done playing, but let's get things cleaned up and we'll have some lunch, okay? Okay. I think that because we're all tired and we're all just kind of being lazy around the house, we are going to call it a night. Thank you guys so much for always watching and supporting, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.